Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll learn some text manipulation formulas. The formulas which we're going to learn are upper, lower, and proper. Later on, we'll learn how to use these formulas in digital marketing. Before that, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe so that you do not miss out on any of our future videos. With that being said, let's jump right into it. So here on my screen, you can see in the column A, I have represented all the formulas which we're going to learn, the syntaxes and the use. So let's go over them one by one. So the first formula is the lower formula. So the syntax of lower is equal to lower and the bracket. After that you can insert a cell address which can be A2, A5, anything, or else we can add a text. Remember, the text should always be in a quote as mentioned here. So the lower function changes the text to lowercase. Similarly, the syntax of upper is upper, then in the bracket you can enter cell address or the text, and the use of upper is it changes the text into uppercase. And the last formula is the proper. So the syntax of proper is similar to upper and lower. Only the thing is the function of proper is slightly different than upper and lower. The proper function capitalizes the first letter of each word in the text string. So let's understand how can we use them and how the text looks after manipulation. So here I have a text which is my name is Pratik. Let's try to change it to lowercase. So I'll just enter equal to lower, open the bracket, select the cell B17 and close the bracket and hit enter. So now you can see after using the lower formula, whole text is converted into lowercase. Now let's try to convert the text into uppercase, which can be done using upper formula. So let's type in the formula equal to upper, select the cell address B17 and close the bracket. So after using the upper formula, we can see the text is completely changed into uppercase. Now let's try to use the last formula, which is the proper formula, which can be done by typing equal to proper and select the cell address, close the bracket, enter. So now if you notice in the proper formula, each of the first letter of the words in the text is capitalized. For example, in my, M is capitalized, in name the N is capitalized, in is the I is capitalized, and in Pratik the P is capitalized. So let's understand where we can use these formulas. Out of these three formulas, the formula which we are going to use the most is the proper formula. This proper formula can be used when you're writing ad copies for any of your Google campaign, Facebook campaign, or even SEO. So usually in the ad copies or in the title, we prefer capitalizing the first letter in the words. For example, if you're writing digital marketing services in India. So this doesn't look like a title because all of the words are in lowercase. If you use the proper formula here, you can see that all the first letters of the words are capitalized and this looks more of a title and it's more appealing to the eye. So usually in the ad copies we use the proper function to change the text into proper case. That's all for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.